Hi, this is the VIVO T2 Pro and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So I'll just set up my fingerprint here to the scanner. And now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint and we'll see how fast this option is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we could see, with that just simple touch on the fingerprint unlock for the fingerprint, we just unlocked the device successfully. But with the simple touch on this scanner, we have no chance to unlock it, so we should just hold it for a while, and after that we'll automatically and successfully unlocked our device. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.